In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Zoom meeting with ID and password. By the end, you'll feel confident jumping into any meeting quickly and without stress. First, open the Zoom app. You can do this on a computer, tablet, or phone. Make sure you've installed the official Zoom app beforehand so everything looks familiar. If you haven't opened it in a while, give it a second to update and load the home screen. Next, click Join. On desktop, you'll find the Join button on the main screen. On mobile, it's usually at the bottom of the app. This opens a simple window where you can connect to a specific meeting without signing in or navigating through menus. Now, enter the meeting ID. This is a string of digits shared by the host, often 9 to 11 numbers long. Type it carefully, and if you're copying and pasting, watch out for extra spaces before or after the numbers. If you receive the details in a calendar invite or message, double-check you're using the meeting ID, not a phone number or a link. Click Join again. This confirms the meeting ID and tells Zoom to take you to the secure entry screen. If you see a brief loading indicator, that's normal. Zoom is verifying the meeting details and preparing the connection. When prompted, enter the meeting password. Some hosts call it a passcode. It's the same thing. This field is case-sensitive, so pay attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you copy and paste, make sure you don't include any trailing spaces. If something doesn't work, carefully compare each character. It's easy to mix up letters like O and numbers like 0. If you're sure the password is correct and still can't get in, the host can confirm the current passcode for you. Finally, click Join Meeting. Zoom will connect you to the session. Depending on the host's settings, you may briefly wait in a waiting room until you're admitted. That's normal, and you don't need to do anything else. Just stay on this screen. If the host hasn't started yet, Zoom might show a message indicating the meeting will begin when the host arrives. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Keep the app updated, copy the meeting ID and password from a trusted source to avoid typos, and join a minute or two early so you have time to correct any small errors. That's it. Open Zoom, click Join, enter the meeting ID, click Join again, enter the meeting password, and click Join Meeting. You're in.